Hey guys, it's Matt here, and today we're taking a look at some of these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. These are all made by Rinke, so they did send me 4 of them. So there's a variety of different types of cases here. So we're going to take a look in terms of the quality, durability, and overall just the bang for buck. So let's go into it. Okay, so I have all the cases here. First one I'm looking at is the Fusion Crystal Clear. So this is a transparent one. You can get them for different phones. They have them for a variety of different types and models of devices. Just in this case, it's on the S10, but really nice case. It's quite thin. It does seem a little bit prone to fingerprints and maybe a few scuffings, scratches, things like that. I already have a mark from some keys in my pocket. But it is pretty thin and it isn't as rubbery and flexible as you'd think. It's quite solid and all the buttons are really tactile. Nothing feels rubbery as such. It's kind of halfway between a plastic and a rubber. But it is really nice. All the cutouts below are perfect. Around the camera is perfect. There is also some lips as well, so when you put the phone down, it's not going to touch the surface directly, so you're not going to get scratches on your screen. In terms of damage, I'd say it would hold up to minor drops, but mainly it's just for those minor things and a few knocks and bangs and some scratches here and there. But this is nothing heavy duty, nothing serious. It's just something to protect your phone, but keeping it looking a little bit elegant. Up next is actually one of my favorites. This is the Oinks. I think I pronounced that right. All the links will be down below, but this one has a carbon fiber kind of look. It's a little bit more flexible than the other one, and the carbon fiber is actually obviously not real. It's more of just a textured aesthetic look, but it is really nice and it's a matte finish on the main body of it, so no fingerprints. You have a little bit of Rinke branding on the back and it's got those glossy accents which make it stand out, and overall it's actually quite grippy to hold. All the buttons on these are pretty much the same as on the first case, and they do have separated buttons for your volume rocker as well, which I really do like in cases. But yeah, this is the same style and thickness. In terms of the first one, you're going to get the same protection pretty much throughout all of these apart from the last case on the list. But you have all the cutouts you'd expect, including the microphone, and the cutouts in the bottom are just the same as the first case. So, I mean, it's pretty similar, it just depends on your personal style. Next one up is the Fusion X. This one sort of reminds me of something like a UAG case. Reminds me of this Armor kind of series of cases, but obviously you do have that transparent back, so you're getting the fingerprints and the scuffing, so you might want to make sure you keep that nice and clean. But I really do like the outside of it. It's super grippy, and even when you put the phone down, you're not going to get as many scratches on the back because there is actually these tiny raised bits in the corner, so it will be a little bit better when placing it down, and obviously the front lip is a lot bigger as well. But the buttons are really nice. They're textured. They do have this kind of ridge pattern on them, so you can easily tell which button is the lock button, and they're all really, really tactile. More tactile than the other cases. This one is really, really nice. I really do like this. This one's probably going to hold up a little bit better in terms of protection. If you're going walking or maybe you drop it in public, then maybe this one's going to hold up a little bit better, but it still does fit in your pocket. But without doubt, this is still a case I would use on my phone day to day, even though it's a little bit more rugged than the other ones. Definitely wouldn't hold me back from using this more than the others. And then last up on the list is actually this leather flip case. So you can get it in a bunch of different colors. This one is just like a blue and tan. I do like it. It's a nice quality leather. It smells like real leather. It's pretty premium, and obviously it's going to wear over time. Something really nice about it is inside you have kind of like the Oinks. It kind of reminds me of that case, and it seems like it's just stuck in here. So, I mean, it's nice if you like the other case, but you also want the addition of some card slots to put ID or your debit and credit cards, then that's really, really good. But I do like it. I'm not the biggest fan on these flip cases because when you take photos, it tends to flap around in front of your camera, things like that. But it does have that magnetic latch which shuts the case, which I especially do like. All of these cases are priced just under $10, which is actually really, really good. These are probably one of the best value cases that I've seen. The leather one does price in at $12, but overall, it's a pretty good buy, and I would highly recommend these cases. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out, guys.